who doesn't like aloo tikki? It's one of those Indian snacks which is just amazing. And the flavor of those boiled potatoes which are crisp on the outside and it just melts in your mouth. So before wasting any time, come, let's get straight into the ingredients and see how this thing is made. And before you move ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. So as usual, before we start, let's see the ingredients. I've taken a few potatoes, boiled them, peeled them. I've taken, a bunch of coriander leaves, finely chopped them. I've taken a small bunch of mint leaves, I finely chopped them. I've taken a few green chilies. I've taken about 3 to 4 green chilies. You please say how hot they are, and I don't want you to land up with gastritis or acidity. I've taken a little bit of ginger, made a paste out of it. I've taken a handful of peas, and as far as the spices are concerned, what I've done is I've taken 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder. I've taken 1 tablespoon of amchoor powder. I've taken some salt, and I've taken red chilli powder. So what we do is we take the boiled potatoes and we start grating them. Okay, and we slowly grate all of them. So we've grated all our potatoes. Now to this we add all the ingredients. We add the peas, we add the mint leaves, coriander leaves, we add the green chilies, all the spices, and the ginger paste. And now we mix everything together. So we've added everything and we give it a nice mix. Just dig into it and mix everything properly. Because the potatoes are boiled, you can definitely taste it. And we'll add some cornflour to it, which is going to act as a binding agent. You'll just have to, make it once or twice. I'll show you the final consistency. So we want a dough-like consistency of the thing. So this is the kind of consistency that we get of our dough. It's a dough-like consistency. And now we're going to start making the tikkis. So we take a small ball out of it, round it, some more potato, yep. You see those ice hockey pucks? It's going to look exactly like that. Flatten it out. We get them all ready before we fry them. So our tikkis are ready, and now we'll just put them in the fryer, and I'll just show you how we do that. So our oil is hot, and we just place our tikkis in the pan. I have a pretty big iron skillet. I think I should be able to do my entire lot in a go. So we put the tikkis, we are not going to disturb them, we are going to cook them on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes I'm going to flip them, they're going to be beautifully golden brown, and we're going to cook them on the other side. Okay. We've flipped our tikkis, and now we're going to cook the other side for another 5 minutes, and then we're just going to dry them and serve them. So our tikkis are done. They're nice and crisp on the outside, soft inside, and we serve them with some sauce. You could serve them with green chutney, or the sweet tamarind chutney or saunt chutney, and just enjoy them, dig into them. I hope you like the recipe. Do comment, and if you've not yet liked and subscribed, like and subscribe to our channel, and see you soon with a new recipe.